Good morning, Kinders and Kinder families. Today is Thursday, April 16th. When I look at our learning board, we have the optional daily calendar and Mrs. Sampson's daily announcements here. Don't forget, if your child hasn't had a chance to check out Mindfulness with Miss Sarah, that's there. And so are the handwriting pages if you decide to practice Easy Write. I just want to say again, thank you to all who were able to make our first Google Meet yesterday. That was so fun. My heart was so full. It was so great to see everyone, and I'm super excited to try it again next Wednesday. But let's look at our learning goals for today. I'm going to click on April 16th. We're going to practice counting by twos today. So you'll watch a warm-up video for math. There's a practice chart. And then students, you guys can pick what you like, pick what interests you. If you like the workbook pages, do it. If you want to help sort laundry and count socks by two, do it. And if you like the seesaw activities, do what you like. There is an easier one and a more challenging one. You can do one or both, totally up to you. And if you have time, there's the math app too, but your choice. Then in reading, we're on day 3 for reading workshop and phonics. There is an ick word activity in Seesaw to complete, so make sure you click on the light bulb and find that. Reading fluency, you're reading every day. Ball words if you're working on them. And then our first Magic Treehouse read aloud, Lions at lunchtime. Be sure to tune in for that. In writing today, super fun book, The Day the Dinosaurs Came Back. I usually love to read this one in person, but we will settle for this. It's a great book. And then you get to have a chance to draw a city and use a dinosaur you've made already or make a new one, and he is going to live in your city and you'll write about what he would do. And then super fun, take a virtual field trip to a dinosaur museum. So if you are loving this dinosaur week, check out this museum. And then there's also a Brain Pop Junior. All right, friends, have a great day. Moms, dads, reach out to me if you need me. I'm here for you. I know there were some kinks to work out with Google Meet, so I'm going to be working on those today for you. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.